Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meat broth from scratch. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of meat bones, like chicken or beef, for a robust base. Don't forget aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions to enhance the flavor. Make sure you have a large stock pot, at least 8 quarts, ready for the cooking process. This simple start ensures a delicious homemade broth. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with cold water, ensuring it's about 2 inches above the solids. Slowly bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. As soon as it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low, maintaining a very light simmer. Let it cook for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 24 hours for maximum flavor extraction. Patience is key here. After simmering, it's time to strain your beautiful broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into another large bowl or container. Make sure to discard all the solids, including the bones and cooked vegetables, as their work is done. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers for storage. This step is crucial for safety. For an even clearer broth, skim any solidified fat from the top once it's fully chilled. You can store your homemade broth in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it in convenient 1-cup portions for longer storage, lasting several months. This makes it super easy to grab exactly what you need for future recipes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.